meron na lang akong 4 weeks bago ang aking first marathon. So today, isi-share ko lang sa inyo paano ko naisisingit yung marathon training ko kahit meron akong 6 to 3 job. Alright, so samahan niyo ako ngayon.
To 45-minute run is part of my marathon training plan. Short, consistent runs like these help build stamina and fit perfectly into my schedule. This is just a quick post-run snack for me because I also eat during my shift. Kayo ba, ano ang favorite post-run meal or snack ninyo? Let me know in the comments.
Hi ka muna. Sorry, nagbablog ako. Meron pa akong few minutes to prepare before I start my shift. So my shift starts at 6:30 p.m. pero naglalagin na ako ng 6:15 so that I can tend to my emails and prepare at least 15 minutes before we start ang shift to prepare all the systems ganyan. And since it's Monday, work from home until Wednesday. And nag-on-site kami every Thursdays to Friday. So ito ngayon yung magiging setup ko. Ito lang muna ako sa bed. Although meron namang co-working space dito sa aming building. But for now, I'd rather stay muna dito sa room. So ito yung setup ko sa room.